Welcome! If you've noticed Snapchat tracking your movement through something called footsteps on the Snap Map, and you'd rather keep that information private, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to stop Snapchat from automatically updating your footsteps. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are located. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, tap on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This is where you'll find all the options related to your account, privacy, and preferences. Now scroll down through the settings menu until you reach the section labeled Account Actions. It might take a second to find, so just keep scrolling until you see it. Once you're there, tap on Map. This will open up settings specifically related to SnapMap and how your location activity is handled. Here's the important part. Look for the option that says Save New Footsteps as my location updates on the map. If this is turned on, Snapchat is automatically recording and updating your movement history. To disable it, simply uncheck or toggle off that option.